Okay guys, this is my welcome to my channel again. So next one we're gonna review Epessa cycling bag E3. Alright, I just did a review on the other one, which is the file toolbox. So this one, I think I'm gonna see if I'm gonna return this, or I like this file, but we'll see. Let's see this one. Open it. Oh, I got this from Amazon. It's in sale. I think it's $11, $12. So we got this. So we have, it's like a rubber type. Okay, and that's what's gonna go in there. So my tools. Let's see. Okay, it says you're in good hands. Alright, so this one should be fairly easy. So this was gonna go here. This will be pump, third lever, this tools, and then patches with the super glue. Then of course my money, big money, leave it there. And so that should be it. Then just close it. Sorry, just trying to hold my head. Okay. Alright, this is it. So, pretty light. And then this is gonna go to my, see what it looks like in my Madone. Yep, see. There, so it looks like, see that. That's what it looks like. Not bad. But I think I'm gonna keep them both. But I'm gonna be using the zip file first. See how it feels. Because that one looks like a water bottle. Okay. That's it for the vlog. See you later again. Subscribe, share, and like. Shout out to Alpaca Jacks again. Chicago Pinoy bikers. Peace out. Oh, that's the one again. This is the zip file. Okay. Peace out. Show you again. What's in there? There. That's it. Subscribe again.